Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro and let me show you how to add and remove Google account. First of all, open the settings, then find and select accounts. Here tap on add account and choose Google. Obviously you need to be connected to network, otherwise you will not be able to do it. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. I'll go with email address. And tap on next. Here, just provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is done, tap on next. Tap on I agree then. More, accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Then whenever you want to get rid of this account, open it again. So once you're doing it from scratch, you need to open the settings, then select users and accounts, click on the account to remove, tap on more and select remove account, confirm it, and now you can either provide your fingerprint or pattern that you have. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.